Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video is going to be my BoxyCharm January box unboxing. For those of you who don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's basically a monthly subscription of beauty or skincare items that you receive. They let you choose one of the items per month that you're going to get in your box, and basically I have the base box. They have a premium box and they have, I believe, a luxe box, but I have the base box, which is $25 a month. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and go through and show you guys what I got in my January box. The theme of the January box is breaking the ice. And in this box, I have 5 items in it. So this is how the box looks. If I didn't show you, it comes straight to you like this. And of course, the label's on the back. But yeah, it comes straight to you like this. I took the tape off. Basically, this is how it comes. And then inside are all of the goodies. So let's just hop right into the box. The very first thing in the box is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. It says Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. Like, I'm not going to read the whole thing, but this is it. And I guess I'll swatch. I mean, everybody needs concealers, right? I do kind of like this color, but yeah. Oh, that is pretty much my shade. Yeah, so I got the Pretty Vulgar Concealer, and it says medium coverage that can be built up. So, yeah. Oh, I like that. It doesn't smell like anything either. That's a little darker. Maybe I could use it for contour, but I don't know if you guys could see. I hope so. The way I'm filming, I can't really see if you can see, so I hope you can see. Moving on. The next thing was the Ace Beauté eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. The value of this palette is $34.99. And this is what it looks like. So let's open that up. This is pretty. These are the colors. There's some pretty colors in there. I hope they're pigmented. Let's just swatch one. Okay. This shade is called Pyramid. Maybe I need... It's kind of pigmented. It feels like a creamy... Maybe I should have done a light. Let's do a lighter color. Let's do the shade Sun, which is this one. Like, why would I do the darker color? Ooh, that is pretty. So this is Pyramid, if you could see. I hope you can. And this one below it is Sun. It looks pretty pigmented, so we'll see. I'll try them out. Maybe do a tutorial on it. Okay, moving on. The next item in the box is the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. Prepare for the perfect getaway with a trip for two. This soft matte blush and bronzer cheek duo blends seamlessly onto skin. And the value of this is $38. This is the box it came in. The packaging is pretty. The packaging was pretty on this Ace Beauté one too. I didn't mention that, but it is. But yeah, this packaging is pretty. Wander Beauty Trip for Two. That is cute, y'all. And the colors I have, the blush is Daiquiri and the bronzer is Tulum. That's pretty. I don't know so much about Tulum as a bronzer for me, for my skin tone, but I could use it as an eyeshadow color. That's cute. Next in the box is the Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance with Renewal Sleeping Mask. This 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The value of this is $107, and this is it. Wow, y'all. So my box is clearly more than $125 this month. But this is it. And this, I hope, is like the best sleeping gel mask ever. I actually am doing like testing from my January skincare. I might as well throw this in so I can kind of do a skincare routine, because mine has changed since I did my last video. With the seasons, of course, you know, your skincare changes, but it doesn't smell like anything. Oh, it does smell like something. It smells kind of cucumbery. Cucumber or melon, but yeah. We'll try it out and we'll see how it goes. Absolutely. And the final thing in the box is the Manakadar Beauty Lip Whip. A matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. And the value of this lip pigment is $21. And this is it. I'm not going to put it on because I just did a whole skincare thing. I'm kind of let it sit in before I do my face for the day. But it's a pretty pinky nude. It's down here, the very last item on my arm. It's pretty much a pinky nude. It's pretty. It's pretty. So, let's just do the math real quick. Box this month is valued at $223. So I believe 100% that it's worth the coin to spend that $25 a month to get the products. And there is like a little quiz that you take. Like, so they basically are trying to send you things that are good for your skin tone. This lip color, I'm not quite sure, but you know, I can blend it in with a lip liner or something to make it more toward to look better on my skin. But for the most part, everything in the box I will be using one way or another. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, of course, please give me a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and as always, I ask that you subscribe. Until next week, bye.